Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device and confirming it has a valid Globe SIM or eSIM profile. This is critical so the unit can register on the network. Once done, charge it fully and locate the power button. Press and hold until LEDs light. Make sure you note the default SSID and password on the sticker. You'll use those to connect devices. If the device prompts for an APN, set it to Globe PH so the modem negotiates data correctly, and you can proceed to connect. Now you connect your devices. Open Wi-Fi settings, find the Globe SSID, and enter the password you wrote down. Once connected, visit the admin panel at the device IP to change the SSID and admin password. This secures your hotspot and avoids accidental access. You should check the APN setting if it isn't set to Globe PH, enter it so sessions route correctly. Make sure to toggle network mode if needed and decide whether to enable data roaming for travel. This prevents unexpected fees. Finish by optimizing placement and settings so you get consistent performance. Put the pocket Wi-Fi near a window or higher shelf to improve reception, and choose 5 GHz when available for faster local speeds. Limit the number of active devices to keep latency low. If you lose connectivity, try rebooting the unit, reinserting the SIM, and confirming your Globe account has active data. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reconfigure the APN. This usually clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.